Bragging rights among hybrids often come down to a matter of just a few miles per gallon in the EPA ratings. It seems like a somewhat arbitrary metric given the old "your mileage may vary" disclaimer, but fuel economy is nonetheless an important measurement for the engineers, marketers, and consumers of these thrifty machines. Among hybrid midsize sedans, the Kia Optima hybrid can't claim best-in-class mileage. That honor belongs to the Honda Accord hybrid, which achieves 48 mpg combined compared with the Kia's 42 mpg. The 46 mpg Chevrolet Malibu hybrid also beats the Optima, while others in this class, including the Ford Fusion hybrid and the Hyundai Sonata SE hybrid, the Optima's corporate cousin, tie the Kia in the government's testing. You can't accuse Kia engineers of not hitting the mark in creating this second-generation Optima hybrid, however. Its thoroughly updated gas-electric powertrain boasts numerous improvements over the previous system, and its fuel economy represents a big jump from the outgoing model's 37 mpg combined rating. That's thanks to a more efficient 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine that replaces the previous 2.4-liter unit, a slightly higher capacity, 1.6 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, and a more powerful, 50 HP electric motor. Unconventionally conventional. While most other hybrid systems use continuously variable automatic transmissions, CVTs, the Kia matches its 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with a conventional 6-speed automatic, with the electric motor and a clutch replacing the torque converter. This slightly unconventional setup pays off in terms of refinement, as it avoids the droning sensation present in many other hybrids when the powertrain is tasked with urgent acceleration. Another impressive element of Kia's hybrid system is the way the battery pack fits neatly under the rear seat. With this placement, the Optima's trunk measures 13 cubic feet, larger than the 12 cubic feet found in the Fusion hybrid or the Malibu hybrid, but 2.5 cubes less than the gasoline-only Optima. The Optima hybrid also maintains the 60/40th split folding rear seat, which provides a wide pass-through for larger items. As it is in the standard Optima, the hybrid's passenger compartment is a satisfying place to spend time. It boasts great fit and finish, an easy-to-use control layout, and comfortable seats front and back. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity are standard, and options such as a panoramic sunroof, heated leather seats, and a Harman/Kardon audio system create a premium vibe. With 192 total horsepower lugging a bit more weight than in the standard model, the Optima hybrid doesn't feel appreciably quicker than the regular 4-cylinder, although the instantaneous torque from the electric motor does help make it more responsive when merging or passing. The car's dynamics